Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled pepperoncini. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh, firm pepperoncini. Wash them well and trim any stems. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids in boiling water for 10 minutes to ensure a safe pickling environment. Finally, gather all your brine ingredients, including vinegar, water, salt, sugar, and various spices, before you begin the cooking process. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a large non-reactive pot, combine 4 cups of water, 4 cups of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Add your desired pickling spices, such as 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dill seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Bring this mixture to a vigorous boil, ensuring all solids dissolve completely. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Carefully place the cleaned pepperoncini into the hot, sterilized jars, packing them as tightly as possible without crushing. Pour the hot brine over the peppers, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles, ensuring all peppers are fully submerged in the liquid. Finally, for safe storage, process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath canner for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool completely on a towel-lined surface for 24 hours. Allow the pickled pepperoncini to cure for at least 2 weeks before opening. This develops their full flavor. Store the sealed jars in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.